Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Convoy. Now this here is the S2 Plus. Now I was sent this by Banggood.com. Comes in this box. Now the version I have here is the 6500K. So let's wait no further. Let's open this up and see what's in. Now, in order to keep these budget friendly, nothing comes with it but the flashlight and a lanyard. Lanyard there is already attached. There it is. Really compact, light. Use it for everyday carry, or if you do want to use it for tactical purposes, you can. Pretty simple. A lot of knurling here on the body and part of the head. There's the tail clicky there. Now the style and design on this is nice. No issues with Convoy. It's been a while since I've done a review of a Convoy light. It's nice to be able to get this. Now they are having a sales event, so they wanted me to feature this on my channel. Now because these are budget friendly and you don't get a lot of accessories, more of the emphasis goes into the quality of the light, which these lights are very well known. This particular host has been around for many years, done reviews for them, quite a few of them in the past. And the machining and finish on this is nice, no issues. Never had an issue with Convoy, and it's definitely nice to see that the budget war is still going on, referring to flashlights, that is. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at that LED smooth reflector. Now this is running the Lumens SST20 LED. Try to get a good picture of this for you. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take this all apart. You can see the insides here. Spring on the head. Heavy duty, especially for an 18650. See the drivers there. O-ring. Show you the tail end here. Nice quality on that spring as well. A little bit of grease. Could add some more to it if you wish. Alright, so now let me bring out the battery I'm going to be using in my test, which is my favorite 18650. This is the LG HG2. This is an unprotected cell, 3000 milliamp. This is a 20 amp cell, so more than enough to run this light with authority. You can use button top cells in this as well, because it does have a spring on the head. So it's nice that you can easily swap out and be ready to go for that long adventure. Okay, so now you do have 12 modes that you can actually program each level. The one that I have it on is the one that I'm going to be using. You can program that as well. I'll put that up on the screen for you now So you can see you can vary the different light outputs, including the SOS, but the UI remains the same. So I'll leave that up there. If you need more time to read that, go ahead and pause screen save it if you wish. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get started here on the UI. Pretty straightforward. I'm going to full press that, activates the light. See there? And then just half pressing to go through those light outputs. That's a good beam on this. Nice hot spot on there, a little bit of bleeding there. Does have a little bit of a cutoff there. Not real sharp on that, but still looks good. That's the highest output there, which I believe is close to 1,000 lumens. So that's going to be more than enough for most applications. Now, I did do a test run on it. It got pretty warm after a couple minutes. So you definitely want to use caution using this highest output for long periods of time. And then now we're going to do the special mode. It's all in line on the UI. And we have strobe. And that is a variable speed on the flash. And it is distracting. Now you have a half press again to get bike mode. Believe it or not, I know a lot of people that use this host for riding bikes. Usually put one or two of them up front. Have one using this mode and a regular one using a regular light output, so it's pretty nice to have. It's got a good beam on that. And we're going to half press again. We'll give you a battery check. And 5 blinks on that means you're at right around 4 volts. And this one here is fully charged, so you've got a full battery. It's nice to have that. Now if you do half press it, it'll go back to the lowest light output that we have. And remember, easily program the outputs that you want, the level that is. And that's all there is to this light. Really simple, easy to operate this. You can program it. A lot of clicks in a row there. I think it's 20. It's quite a bit, so you kind of change it around a little bit on the light outputs. But other than that, very nice solid build quality on this. Very well known worldwide. And most of all, budget friendly. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this Convoy out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Convoy S2 Plus. I'll go ahead and get started here on the lowest setting. And believe it or not, it is on. It's going to be good for up close. Now remember, you can adjust the light outputs to your preference. So we're going to go up to next level here. There we go. Making 65 feet there, as you can see on this tree. Beam on the fence, kind of give you an idea. Water spout 38 feet. Now if you have any questions or doubts about my testing area, you can click a link below my video. It shows the distances. There's the next level there. Now this goes by percentage on the website, so I'm not posting any kind of lumen output because of that reason. Tree line, fence line, give you an idea there. This is doing really good, especially for the price point. Making 138 feet there now. This beam has got some pretty good throw on it as well. Let's go to the next level here. And spill areas now has come alive. 138 feet there, 238 feet there behind, which it is making faintly. Kind of hard to see on the camera. There's the fence line, tree line. It is making it across to the parks there, so that's pretty good, especially at this light output. There's the next level. Spool area has really come alive. Now I put a new battery in it because I was kind of testing this out. This will get pretty toasty on the highest output, but I didn't see no step down, so that's impressive. There's 238 feet there. Now it's making those trees way out there too as well. Playground there, it's lit up pretty good. These lights are really durable. I have family members I've given them to, and they're still using them to this day. Still making that park playground across the park there. That's nice for this beam. More of a combination beam. 238 feet there is doing well. It's kind of faint on the other one. There it goes. That tree is a little bit lighter in color, so you can see it there. Very nice performance. Strobe. And you got your bicycle mode. And battery. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Pretty straightforward on this performance. Now, on the highest output, I kind of played around with it after about 3 minutes. This thing got really toasty, so not too sure about the step down being really accurate on this, so use it with care. The other levels is perfectly fine, but the highest output does get pretty toasty after using it for about 3 minutes consistently, and so you definitely want to cycle it down when you're not in need of that high output. Otherwise, carry some extra batteries with you. It's going to do just fine. The beam performance on this is very nice. It's got more of a combination beam, which are my favorite, and it's got some good range out there, especially for 1,000 lumens. I think this was doing pretty good in my opinion. Now these do come in additional Kelvin ratings of 5,000 and 4,000 K. 5,000, 6,000 K, anywhere in between there is my ideal favorite with lights. 4,000 is just a little too warm for me, but there are those versions as well as this one. Well, I want to thank Banggood.com for sending me this Convoy S2 Plus to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link to my online store at Banggood, where you can save some money on this using my special discount code, just in case you're interested. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel if you wish. Otherwise, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these budget-friendly convoys from Banggood to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.